Ever feel like no matter what you do, how many green juices you have, how many supplements you take, that your body is still on high alert, that you're still in stress mode, that your gut is still churning, your energy is still low? That's because health doesn't always start on your plate. It starts in your mind. Stress can be one of the biggest drivers of low energy, problems with our digestion, and ongoing fatigue. And this happens because we're stuck in what we call kind of survival mode. You're rushing, trying to get things done. And we have this ongoing stress. And short-term stress is good for us. It's the long-term stress that starts to impact on our health. It impacts our digestion. It impacts our energy levels. And it keeps us stuck in this mode where our body can't heal. When you allow your body to rest and digest is when your body can go into healing mode. So it's not always just your stress, it's also the stories that we tell ourselves in our heads. I don't have enough time. I'm not sure that I can do this. I don't know if I can heal. I'll do this when I have more time. I'll rest when everything's done. And those are not the truth. They're not facts. They are just stories that you keep telling yourself over and over and over again until they feel true, but they're not the facts and they're not the truth. They're just these old scripts and loops that are running through your head. So it's time to reset. It's time to create that place of calm confidence that no matter what you do, you know that you can create those moments of calm, those moments to allow your body to heal. And that's exactly why I created my Calm CEO kit. You've heard me say in previous videos, you are the CEO of your health. No one will ever care about your health as much as you do. And that's why I created the Calm CEO Health Kit. It's short, simple, easy, practical tools that you can do every day that can bring you into that place where you reset, you create that calm, that confidence, you get out of that chronic stress mode. So you'll find the details in the description below. Go ahead and download it now. Try those tools and techniques. Do them every day. It's what you do every day, the small things that we do consistently that make the big changes over time. So download it. Tell me what changes come up for you, and I know that your nervous system will thank you for taking your place, your body and your mind into that place to reset, to create calm and confidence.